Is this where you keep the weapons here? Yeah, and also, you change back to your old clothes. You know police officer will recognize you of that clothes. The only way the police officer recognizes me is my face. Okay, we done here of something. Put your weapons here and we have to go. This is the generated room where we generated electricity. I wonder why they're small. Why not it was big? Because we don't have enough money for this. Anyways, let's go. You've been here before. This is all where people sleep. And anyways, let's go. We're almost there. And we out of here. Is this another exit?